It's tax time, so what do you need to know to get the biggest return back to you and make sure that you're filing correctly and on time? It's tough stuff made easy thanks to H&R Block, and joining us now to help is Senior Tax Analyst Susan Ryan. Susan, welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining us.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
So this is a type of year that you look forward to, but not many of us do.
It's a lot of mixed emotions, but yeah, we enjoy it. Yes.
This can be a high stress time for a lot of your customers. What is the biggest concern that you hear from them?
That they are going to owe money, or their tax situation changed throughout the year, and how is it going to affect them when they file their tax return, and then plus with the new tax reform for 2018. So that's a lot of
it's a lot of unknowns.
Yeah.
So they come in here, and you guys at H&R Block, you really make it simple for them.
We try to. It's what we do. We understand it. We take everything as a challenge, and we like to make it simple so that our clients are educated, and when they leave the door, they might not be happy with the bottom line, but they understand the situation and know what to do to change it.
Absolutely, because they went to a professional to handle
correct.
it.
Yes.
And I know that more than half of Americans say that they are dependent upon getting that tax return back.
Yes.
Tell us more about that.
There's a lot of people that rely on this to pay their debts, their monthly obligations like rent, utility bills, and everything like that. So for a lot of taxpayers, the federal tax refund, which is on average is $2,700, it's the largest financial transaction they'll make for the year. So they do rely on those refunds, yes.
And so they need those refunds for those big things like that outstanding bill or what have you.
To pay the rent, yes, things like that.
So I can imagine that one of the things that they're worried about is that there's going to be some sort of delay.
There are going to be delays. IRS is required to hold back refunds that are claiming the earned income tax credit, the additional child tax credit. So there's about approximately 30 million people that claim those credits. About half of them file early, which is about 15 million people, so they won't get their refunds processed until the middle of February.
Wow.
Yeah. So
that's something that's unexpected this year, and a lot of people are not going to be happy about it.
No, it's not this year. Actually, it started last year too. It was what we called the PATH Act. But yeah,
but it's just not fun. No one wants to hear it.
No, it's not. No, nobody wants to wait for their money.
Right. But you guys have a way that you can sort of help in the interim, right?
Yes, we're offering the Refund Advance. It is an advance if they don't want to wait, because they can't wait for the refund from IRS, but it's a way to get up to $3,000 of their tax refund within 24 hours. It is a no interest loan provided by BOFI Federal Bank, and then we pay it. It's paid back through the refund once their tax refund is received.
That's amazing. So they could come in now. You're getting all your paperwork at the end of January.
Taxes,
you're filing everything. You know how much you're expected to get back. And then you don't want to wait those months, and they can get that from you.
They can get it within 24 hours, yes.
That is a huge peace of mind.
Yes.
So when you're telling customers that they don't have to wait, what is
They're very happy. Actually, I had a client in yesterday, and I said, you'll know within 24 hours, and she left, and a couple of minutes later, the phone rang, she called, she said, I just wanted to tell you, I got the text, I got my money. So, I mean, made me feel good, and I know that she was happy. Yeah.
That's a huge relief because people are wanting to close out 2017 strong, pay off those credit cards or pay whatever tuition, those
pay
bills.
Off Christmas,
Right,
definitely.
That too. New water heaters, not that I'm talking about myself, but there's always something.
Something comes up, yeah.
Well, Susan, thank you so much for your time. This is valuable information, and I love that feature, and I'm sure that our Midday Maryland viewers will as well. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, we'll be right back with more Midday Maryland right after the break. Stay tuned.